In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weather to Notion. Whether you're planning your day or just curious about the weather, having this feature right on your Notion page can be incredibly handy. So let's walk through the process step by step to get you all set up with your personalized weather widget. First things first, you're going to need to visit a weather widget provider. Some great options to consider are Indify, Aption, or weatherwidget.io. Each of these platforms offers a simple and effective way to create a weather widget tailored to your needs. Take a few moments to explore the options available on these sites. You might find one that has a design or user interface that you particularly like. Once you've picked a provider, you can then move on to creating or customizing your weather widget. When you're on the provider's site, look for the option to create or customize your widget. Here you'll typically be guided through a process where you can specify details like the location for which you'd like to display the weather, the size of the widget, and perhaps even stylistic features like colors or fonts to match your Notion page's theme. Customizing your weather widget helps ensure it fits seamlessly into your existing Notion setup and looks just the way you want it. Once your widget is ready, it's time to get it ready for Notion. This is done by copying the widget's embed URL or embed code. The step you'll follow here might differ based on the service you're using. Some services will give you an embed URL that you can directly use, while others may provide you with an embed code. Either way, make sure you have this copied, as it's your ticket to integrating your widget with Notion. With your widget URL or code copied, open up your Notion page where you want to add the weather widget. In the space where you would like the weather to appear, you'll begin by typing the / key, followed by the word embed. Notion will then present you with an option to select the embed block. This is the key feature that allows you to incorporate your widget smoothly into your Notion workspace. Now click on the embed option, which prompts you to paste the widget URL that you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste it into the designated area, and once that's done, click on the We'll Embed link button to finalize the integration. Just like that, your weather widget should now appear on your Notion page, keeping you constantly updated with the freshest weather information. And that's it. You've successfully added a weather widget to Notion. Feel free to play around with the widget in your space, moving it around or resizing as you see fit. Now, whether you're tracking the weather for work, travel, or personal interest, you've got the necessary data right at your fingertips within Notion. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning!